The government is gearing up for the possible detention of hundreds of high-profile personalities linked to the multi-billion peso flood control scam. Interior Secretary John Vic Remulla personally inspected the newly built Quezon City Jail along Payatas Road, which may soon house those accused in the ongoing investigation. As the net tightens, officials say there will be no special treatment, just equal justice behind bars. Our Patrick De Jesus reports.
DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla inspected the new Quezon City Jail located along Payatas Road. According to him, the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology or BJMP facilities are ready to serve as detention centers for those accused in the anomalous flood control projects, particularly the new QC Jail, which is the nearest to the Sandigan Bayan, where the hearings for the case may be conducted. As to Remulla's estimate, the number of individuals to be indicted could reach up to 200, composed of district engineers, contractors, and even members of the lower house and the Senate.
We assume that the first round of the indictments will come in the next 3 weeks. However, I have no personal knowledge of what the Ombudsman is doing. Hindi namin pwede pag-usapan yan. Pero base lang sa naririnig ko ng nakita ko, mabibigat na ang ebidensya na pinakita ng Senado.
Meron po kami mga pag-graduates, dito po lahat. Dito po namin dadalhin. We're ready po yung personal complement as well as yung facility po.
If it pushes through, they will be placed in the new wing of the new QC jail, which has 80 dormitories. Each regular cell has bunk beds, a toilet, sink, and shower area. There is also a laundry area where persons deprived of liberty or PDLs themselves will wash their clothes. Male and female detainees will be housed separately. There will be designated visiting hours. According to Remulla, there will be no special treatment.
Kung may batas kayong nilabag, yung nagdanako ng 100 piso na lotion sa SM, dito kinukulong, dapat yung nagdanako ng daan milyon at bilyon, dito na rin. Wala pong air conditioning dito. There will be no air conditioner, there will be no cell phones, there will be no laptops or tablets. Ang pwede lang ng forms of communication is a computer, kung teleconference sa lawyer nila, or landline na pwede makinig ang BJMP kung anong pinag-uusapan nila.
The jail facility has a fully equipped infirmary to cater to detainees' medical needs, so they will no longer need to be placed under hospital arrest elsewhere. 700 jail guards will be assigned to watch over the PDLs, each equipped with body cameras.
Subukan nilang suhulan ng ang mga jail guards namin. Nakikita namin lahat.
According to Malacanang, the number of individuals who might be detained because of the flood control scandal could even exceed Remulla's estimate.
200 lang talaga. Tingnan po natin, kasi hindi pa naman po tapos yung investigasyon. Kung ganyan, sa tingin niya, na-estimate niya, ready naman po ang gobyerno kung sila ay dapat na makulong.
Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.